Are you looking for cookware that not only promises long-lasting durability, but also helps you create culinary masterpieces in the kitchen? This Utopia Kitchen 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet with lid. This cast iron frying pan is designed to make your cooking experience easier, more efficient, and much more enjoyable. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or an experienced chef, this versatile skillet is sure to become your go-to tool for all your cooking needs. Key benefits of the Utopia Kitchen 12-inch cast iron skillet. Pre-seasoned surface, ready to use straight out of the box. Versatile, suitable for all cooking methods including frying, sautéing, roasting, and even grilling. Durable build, made to last for generations with proper care. Even heat distribution, ensures consistent cooking every time. Easy maintenance, simple to clean and maintain for long-lasting use. Why choose the Utopia Kitchen cast iron skillet? Number 1. Pre-seasoned for convenience and durability. One of the most significant advantages of the Utopia Kitchen cast iron skillet is that it comes pre-seasoned. This means that the skillet is ready to use straight out of the box, eliminating the hassle of having to season it yourself. The pre-seasoned surface prevents rust and helps develop a natural non-stick layer over time, giving you an authentic cast iron cooking experience from day one. Number 2. Versatile cooking performance. The 12-inch size of this cast iron pan offers a wide cooking surface, perfect for everything from searing steaks to sautéing vegetables. Whether you're pan frying, baking, sautéing, roasting, or even grilling, this skillet does it all. You can use it on virtually any heat source. Gas, electric, induction, ceramic glass stoves, and even over an open campfire. The wide cooking surface makes it compatible with multiple cooking methods, from high-heat searing to slow simmering. So, whether you're preparing a juicy steak for dinner or a big batch of stir-fried veggies for a family feast, this skillet handles it all with ease. Number 3. Even heat distribution for consistent cooking. A common issue with many cookware options is uneven heat distribution, leading to hot spots and unevenly cooked food. With Utopia Kitchen's 12-inch cast iron skillet, you get even heat distribution that ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. The cast iron retains heat well, allowing for better searing, frying, and browning of your dishes. You'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and taste of your meals. Number 4. Thoughtful design and high-quality build. The Utopia Kitchen cast iron skillet is designed with user comfort and safety in mind. Its sturdy, well-built design features dual handles for easy maneuvering and pouring. The skillet also comes with a glass lid, which is perfect for locking in flavors and moisture during cooking. The lid helps you cook your food more efficiently, ensuring that heat and steam stay trapped inside, leading to more flavorful results. In addition to its practical design, this skillet's exterior boasts a sleek black finish that not only looks stylish but also provides added durability and ease of cleaning. Number 5. Easy care and maintenance. The best part about cast iron cookware is that it becomes more seasoned and efficient with each use. Though this skillet comes pre-seasoned, it's recommended to apply a thin layer of vegetable oil before your first use. After cooking, cleaning is simple. Let the skillet cool completely, then wash it with hot soapy water using a regular sponge. After drying, rub a small amount of oil over the surface to keep it in top condition. With proper care, this pan will serve you for years to come, making it a great investment for your kitchen. What customers are saying: I love how easy this pan is to use right out of the box. I made a perfect steak the first time I used it. This skillet is perfect for everything. I've made stir fries, roasts, and even baked a cornbread in it. It's truly versatile. The glass lid is a fantastic addition, helps keep the flavors locked in while I cook. Customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with many highlighting how the skillet's even heating and durability transform the cooking experience. The bottom line? A must-have for every kitchen. The Utopia Kitchen 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet with lid is a top-notch piece of cookware that excels in versatility, heat distribution, and durability. Whether you're a home cook or an experienced chef, this skillet will help you create delicious meals with ease. From frying eggs to roasting a chicken, this cast iron pan does it all. If you're looking for cookware that's easy to maintain, long-lasting, and capable of handling all types of cooking, this skillet should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.